Dear student, today also I will show you that finding out the area of rectangle and square. Previous day I have already shown you how to find out the area of a square and rectangle. Now, if length and unit, suppose length and breadth, length suppose 2 meter 50 centimeter. This one is the length and breadth suppose 80 centimeter. Now you see length, okay, only you write 2 meter. Length is equal to 2 meter. Length 2 meter and breadth 80 centimeter. The unit of length and breadth both are not same. This one meter, this one centimeter. Now what to do? First of all, you have to convert length into smaller unit, that centimeter, or centimeter you have to convert into meter, not required every time. What to do? Higher unit you convert to lower unit, then it will be easy to you. So 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100 centimeter, that is 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter. Now length and breadth both are in terms of centimeter. Here also centimeter, here also centimeter. So when both are same unit, then only we can find out the area. Now area of the rectangle, length into breadth square unit. Always write the formula. Now length is 200 centimeter and breadth 80 centimeter. So unit will be square centimeter. Now 280, if you multiply 8 to the 16 and how many zero? 3 zeros. So 16,000 square centimeter. So if the sum like this, that unit of length given in one in terms of meter and breadth is given in terms of centimeter. So first of all, what to do? Meter you convert to centimeter. What the lower unit will be given, that one you have to consider first. So meter you convert into centimeter. You know 1 meter equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter you multiply by 100, then you will get 200 centimeter. Now length 200 centimeter, breadth 80 centimeter, both are in terms of centimeter. No problem. Now you can easily find out the area of the square, area of the rectangle. Now if the problem like this, suppose meter, length is given in terms of meter as well as centimeter. Length is given in terms of meter as well as centimeter. Length is equal to 2 meter 50 centimeter and breadth equal to, same example I am writing, 80 centimeter. Now here meter and centimeter both are given. Here only centimeter. Now length equal to 2 meter 50 centimeter. What to do? First you convert into lower unit, centimeter. So 2 into 100 and 50 centimeter you have to add. Then total centimeter you will get 200 plus 50 centimeter, that is 250 centimeter. So length is 250 centimeter. So length in terms of centimeter, if we convert, then it will be 250 centimeter. Now breadth already 80 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area. So area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle 250 into 80. Unit formula you write, always write the formula, length into breadth square unit. Length is 250 and breadth is 80 square centimeter. 250 and 80 if you multiply, then you will get, what you will get, 200 I think. 45 8 is 40, 16, 20, 200 and 20. So 20,000 square centimeter. So this is the way to find out the area if length is given in terms of meter and centimeter and breadth is given only in terms of centimeter. So you have to do this way. And similar way, you can find out the area of the square, but area of the square only length of a side will be given. Breadth is not required here because length, breadth all are equal. So only length of one side will be given. So in that case, if it is given in terms of meter, suppose side equal to 5 meter. No need to convert into centimeter. Area of the square. Area of the square will be side into side. Always write the formula. Don't do directly. Side into side square unit. Now 5 into 5 square meter. 25 square meter. Okay, no need to convert into centimeter because only one unit is given. Okay, that unit you will use. But if it is given like this, suppose side is equal to 3 meter 50 centimeter. This one is the side. Then lower unit here centimeter. So first of all you convert into centimeter. 3 into 100 plus 50 centimeter. That is 300 plus 50 centimeter. That is 350 centimeter. Now you find out the area. Area I am writing in short, area equal to 350 into 350. You have to write the formula also. I am writing in short, square centimeter. Now 350 and 350, if you multiply 35 and 35, if you multiply, I think it will be 1225. 35 and 35, if you multiply, 35, 5 5 25, 15, 17, 15, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 2, 5, 12, 25, 12, 25 and 20 square centimeter. 1,22,500 square centimeter. So this is the way. If it is given in terms of two units, one is meter, another is centimeter or meter, decimeter, whatever may be, or centimeter, millimeter, then you have to convert into smaller unit. And after converting side and side, if you multiply, then you will get area of the square. So this is very simple. Next one, if perimeter of a square given, suppose perimeter of a square, perimeter of a square equal to 8 centimeter. Now you have to find out the area, but given perimeter, side is not given. Now side, what will be the side? Side equal to this perimeter by 4. Side is equal to perimeter by 4 unit. That is 8 by 4 because 4 side equal. If you divide by 4, total perimeter, if you divide by 4, you will get one side. Centimeter, that is 2 centimeter. Now, perimeter, from the perimeter of a square, easily you can find the side of the square. How you will find the side of the square? Perimeter, if you divide by 4, why 4? All sides, 4 sides are equal. So total perimeter means total length, total boundary. If you divide by 4, then you will get side. Now, already you got the side 2 centimeter. Now you can find out the area. Now area equal to 2 into 2 square semi, that is 4 square semi. So from the perimeter we can find out the area also. Okay. So if perimeter of a square is given, first of all you divide by 4 perimeter. If you divide by 4, then you will get the side of the square. Now side of the square, when you, after getting the side of the square, side and side if you multiply, then you will get area of the square. So this type of sum you have to revise thoroughly. Thank you all today.